Good morning. How are you today? Today is Thursday, and today we are going to learn about the letter H. H is the letter in the alphabet. You will identify things that begin with the sound, and then you will create something that starts with H for me. And then we are also just going to review some of our numbers. So let's get started. Today is Thursday. It is the 29th of October. How many days do we have left in October? How many days do you see here? One, two more days in October. And after October, it will be November. That'll be a new month and we'll start all over again counting. Today is the 29th. Do you guys think you can count to 29? All right, in your scariest voice, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Good work today. All right, you're in charge of the weather. Let me know what the weather is. Today we said that we were going to learn about the letter H. H is a letter in the alphabet. H goes ha, ha, ha. This is an uppercase H, and this is a lowercase h. Look at how this uppercase H has a straight line down, a straight line across, and another straight line down. That is the letter H. Notice this lowercase h has a straight line down and then a hump. So we know that H makes the sound. So today we're going to identify things that begin with the sound. So at the beginning of the word, remember we're going helicopter. Can you say that with me? Helicopter. Ooh, nice work. Let me hear this one. Hippo or hippopotamus. Good. What's this? House. What sound does house begin with? H, the sound. House. What's this? Horse. Good. Horse makes the sound at the beginning of the word. Horse. And we have Halloween. Good. So this is the letter H. I'm going to upload a video after this, and then you guys, I want you to watch the letter H, and then I want you to come up with something that starts with the letter H. Before we get started, let's review some of our numbers that we've been working on. What number is this in the middle? 2. Good. 3, 4. There's our number 4. Here's our number 5 and our number 6. So today we said we were going to count and then identify the numbers. So we're going to review some of those numbers that we've been learning out already. And so I want you to help me, okay? You can play this game on IXL. Miss Cochran's going to play it, and every time I go on here, it tells me the question, so listen carefully.
Count the goats. Click each goat to keep track as you count.
So click the goats to keep track. 1. I can find that number. There is 1 goat. And it will tell me
how many goats are there.
How many goats are there? There is 1. And I'm going to hit submit. Count the parrots.
Count the parrots. Click each parrot to keep track as you count.
Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 parrots. How many parrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number 5. I'm going to get it and then I'm going to hit submit. Count the hippos. I can, if I need help with the question, I can push this and I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that there are 4 hippos. Do you see the number 4? Is this the number 4? Yes or no? No. Okay. Is this? Mm-mm. Is this the number 4? The number 4 looks just like this because I counted it. Oh, there it is, the number 4. Hit submit. Count the dinosaurs. Click each dinosaur to keep track. So every time I click, remember, I'm going to click 1, 2. I'm going to also count along with it, the number 2. I can find that number right here. 1, 2. Good. And we got it. Your turn. How many do you see? You do? You see 3? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. We did it. How many fire trucks are there?
How many fire trucks are there?
We counted and we put that number in our brain. Remember, we have to put that number right here, and that file folder says, oh, that was 3. I counted 3. I have to remember it. I can look for the 3 and hit submit. How many fish are there?
Count the fish. Click each fish to keep track as you count.
And then I can hit 1. Make sure to always put that at the bottom of the page. There's a submit button. Count the rainbows. Click each rainbow to keep track of how you counted. 1, 2, 3, 4. I kept track and I had 4 rainbows. So I know I'm going to look for the number 4 and hit submit. Count the flowers and keep track as we counted. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 flowers. I hit it. It turned dark blue and I can hit submit. Oh, look, we've got 8 already. Good job. Count the snails. 1, 2. How many were there? 2. Good. And hit submit. Challenge zone. Are you guys ready to do the challenge zone? Okay, we're going to count the strawberries and keep track. 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for that number 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Okay, keep track. There was only 1 bird. I only clicked once or I only counted once, so I have to find the number 1. Here it is, straight line down. Then we're done. That's the way we make a 1. Ooh, these are not lined up for us, so I'm going to have to make sure that I only count it once, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 helicopters, so I'm looking for the number 4. I know that the number 4 looks like that. And hit submit. Good job, guys. Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 4 comes the number 5. Good job. There are 5 elephants, and 5 looks just like this. I remember a neck, a belly, and a hat on top. Neck, belly, hat on top. That was our number 5. Good work today. All right, so let's go over here and let's talk about these numbers again. This will be our last one. So I'm going to point to a number. I want you to tell me what number it is. What number is that? 5. Good. What number is this? 3. Good. You know that 3, and you can identify 3, and you can put up 3 fingers too because you know this is 3. What number is this? 1. Good. What number is this? 2. And the last number, what number is this? 4. Good work today. So today we identified the H, I'm sorry. We identified the H for hippo, hungry hippo, for helicopter. We practiced counting and we identified our numbers 1 through 5. I want you to watch this H video and then I want you to tell me something you know that begins with this sound. Go like this. Did you feel that on your hand? That is your air. So H pushes air out. All right, I'll see y'all later. I can't wait to hear what you come up with that begins with the H sound.